How to add curved text in Canva. Hello and welcome to Quick Guide. I am up with another quick and easy tutorial video on how you can add curved text on Canva. For that, you'll have to open your Canva application on your mobile device, and below you will see plus icon at the bottom of the screen. Click on it. You will be able to choose a photo from your gallery. Choose a photo, and now below you will see use in a new design option. Click on it to start editing. In this editing space, you will notice plus icon at the left corner of the screen. Tap on it and select text option represented by the letter T here. Choose the font and design for your text from the options below. Customize the text by adjusting its color, size and other attributes. Now to curve the text, tap on the effects option below by swiping. Then here select shape options. Choose the curved text option. You will be able to adjust the curved text to your liking now. Once you are satisfied with the curved text, if you prefer to download it, above at the top of the screen you will see the download icon represented by an arrow facing downwards. Click on it and it will be saved to your device. Now go and check your gallery to see the image with the curved text added. That's all for today's video. Thanks for watching till the end. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe the channel. Also hit that bell icon to get notifications on more such helpful tutorials. See you in next video. Stay connected.